Hey, what up? Sometime Kev's here. So I'm set up this smoker in the charcoal grill. So basically it's a line of charcoal doubled up around like this, and then one on top, and then these are pieces of hickory. So what we'll do, we'll light it at this end and it'll slowly burn all the way around. So I lit these coals, got them started. We'll do one at a time. We'll put them right here. The idea is to catch it here and it just slowly burns. So come back in here now, done with this. We're gonna actually open this up a little bit more than I'll keep it at. I'm gonna open it up to make sure that I get a good flow of air in here to get that caught. It should catch okay, and once it's caught, then I'm going to back everything down, close these up a whole bunch so it'll burn real slow, but it's got to have some oxygen or it'll go out. So that does, it flows in here, circulates in there, and this is a barrel charcoal grill, which they're better because they actually make the smoke and the heat roll. So if you're ever buying one, if you can get a barrel one, they're better. In my opinion, they cook more even, they cook from the top more.
Now, you know, there's a dozen different ways, plus some, to season these up. I use mustard as a base and a binder, and then I use seasoned salt, and then I rub the whole thing down with dark brown sugar. You can't go wrong with those combinations. They just smoke up and turn out delicious.
I'm going to put a small aluminum bolt, and I'm going to put the great debate. Skin side up, skin side down. I'm doing skin side up, so when it melts, it's going to go into the meat. Yeah. Get it on the sides, the back. This is going to be fun. We're just going to set this right here. It's not going to be over the heat directly. Hopefully this boat will hold that juice in here. Some of it's going to overflow, but it's going to be okay. And I don't know. It is about 12:15 now, 12:10. We will check on this in about, I don't know, 6 or 7 hours. Hopefully it's going to get a 200. I'm going to try and get it at 200 and then damper this down so it'll hold 200 and cook slow. All right, let's check back in 6 hours. Okay, we went for about 4.5, almost 5 hours, and it did get to an internal temperature of about 180, and so I went ahead and pulled it. It got a little smoke ring, but not near as much as I'm used to. Oh my. That is absolutely delicious. Smoked it for 4 hours. It still took on the smoky flavor. It's juicy, it's tender, it's delicious.
One key point to note on this: try and keep your grill temperature between 180 and 215. That's the right temperature to cook this meat at, and you're smoking it basically. It's not on the direct heat. Remember that. And the next thing to do on this is use an internal temperature if you got one, some sort of probe, so you know when it gets to the correct temperature. 165 to 180 is when I pulled this one, and it's perfect. It's juicy. It's completely cooked all the way through. You can't go wrong with this. Hey, thanks for watching, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check it out for more great recipes. Delicious feel-good foods and recipes on YouTube. You're gonna love it. Thanks a lot.